Hi everyone, welcome to today's demo on implementing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this session, we will focus on the sales invoice functionality, walking through how to create, manage, and process sales invoices efficiently within the system. You will see how Business Central helps streamline invoicing workflows, ensuring accuracy and improving sales management. So here we can see the sales module of Dynamics 365. You will find all the essential tabs and tools needed to efficiently manage the entire sales invoicing process, from purchase order to the sales invoicing to the sales credit memos and the posted sales invoice, etc. And for this particular transaction, we are going to directly start off by clicking on sales invoices. And we already have pre-existing sales invoices that either weren't released or that are still in the process. But for this particular transaction, I'm going to be starting from the scratch. So for that, I am clicking on new. So the following page is the sales invoice card, and we have the upper section tabs that helps us in posting the invoices, preparing, print or send, etc. And in the general section, we have the details related to the customer, such as customer number, name, and the personal address, contact information, etc. And we have the posting date, due date, and the reference number. And when we scroll down, we have the line area, and in this section we are going to be selecting our item or maybe fixed asset resources that are required to be procured, and this is the description of that particular item or fixed asset, and it will detail what really amount is required to be from the customer, or any discounts provided to the customer, or any sales tax. And as we scroll down, we can see the invoice details. It has the currency code, the bank account, the shipment date, the tax liable toggle, and other than that, we have the tax area code and the payment discount, etc. So let's start by selecting any customer from the list. So it's a list of customer, and I'm going to be selecting anyone. Let's say it's Postman Furnishings. Click on OK. Okay, as you can see, all the details related to the customer has already been incorporated into all the fields. Now let's move to the line section, and as this process is related to the fixed asset, so I'm going to select the value that is fixed asset. On number, that is a mandatory field. Here I am going to be select the fixed asset. In this case, it is going to be property 1. So this is the description, the building code, the location code, and here it's the quantity, that is 1. And selecting the unit of measure, it is going to be for 1 month. And the unit price exclusive of tax, let's say it's 1200. The tax area code is already configured over here, and the tax group code, it is selected as non-taxable. Now we have the building code, that was property 1, and I am going to be selecting the unit code as well, that is let's select the unit 1. Okay, this is the description that says all the details related to the item that we are procuring. Sorry, in this case it's a fixed asset. As there is no discount, so it's all appears as 0, and I had selected as a non-taxable, so there is no tax, so that is going to be 0. Here we have the payment term code already configured, so we don't need to be looking into that. Okay, on the top section, here we have options under the post. Directly post the invoice, whether you're going to post and send like email to the customer directly, but I am going to preview the posting first. and then we will see if it has any error or the transaction went through or not. So here the following page appears where we have the GL entry record, and I'm gonna click on it to view the complete information related to the transaction. So it's the posting date, of course, and the document type, that is invoice. And then we have the GL accounts that are going to be impacted by that particular transaction. And then we have the property related information such as unit code, so, and the amount. So this customer has already outstanding amount, that's why it's already incorporated into that. Okay, that's it. The transaction went well, and now I'm going to post it. Do you want to post the invoice? Yes. So the prompt is giving us the option whether we want to open it. Yes. Okay. This is the posted sales invoice card, and it says the number of the invoice and all the customer details that we filled in, and all the line amount details. And to further view the information related to the posted sales invoice, we can click on the Find Entries. And if we click on the GL entry, it will just show us the same old record that I previously showed you. So, okay. So once the sales invoice have been posted and issued to the customer, our next step would be record the payment received. So in Business Central, we have the option called General Journals. So the General Journals allows us to register the payment by selecting the relevant customer account and specifying the payment method and entering the amount received. So we can select it, the default journal batch, and here we can like it's already showing the customer, and we can make the process through and apply entries. And additionally, the Business Central automatically handles the posting of payment of the correct accounts, ensuring financial records are up to date. So that's it for the video. Thanks for tuning in. And if you have any questions related to the process, please feel free to ask. Thank you.